Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if the Poco M7 is original or fake. Now to do that, I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are the codes to check if your Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your Poco phone is original. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just dial *#*# 64663 #*#. Now from here, you can check the hardware of your smartphone. For an example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. Now from here, you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. Now if you tap on software version, you can find the IMEI numbers of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers on your smartphone's box and make sure they're both the same. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. And in the search bar, just search Mi Global. Now just tap on Xiaomi Global. From here, just scroll down and tap on Customer Support. From here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now from here, as you can see, there are many ways to connect with Xiaomi's customer support. You can connect with Xiaomi's customer support through the chat service, or you can connect with Xiaomi's customer support through the email support, or you can select the phone number to contact with Xiaomi's customer support. Now just tap on the chat support. If the chat support is not available in your country, just select the email support or the phone number. From here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. From here, tap on yes. Now just enter your email address. Now once you enter your email address, just tap on submit. Now from here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Welcome to Xiaomi's customer service." Now as you can see, they're asking us to share our IMEI number. To do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. Now just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number and tap on the three dots over here. Now just tap on copy. From here, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now just paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, just wait for a few moments for them to check our device's details." Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone. And below the IMEI number, you can find the details of your smartphone. Now as you can see, I'm currently using the Poco C75 to record this video. Now from here, just check the given smartphone's details are identical to your smartphone or not. Now from here, just check the warranty start date and the warranty end date. And from here, also check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if your Poco M7 is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.